What if the first robot that could make a perfect pizza from scratch wasn't in a sci-fi movie but in Elon Musk's factory? The impossible hasn't happened yet, but we're getting dangerously close. Based on everything Elon Musk has already said about Optimus and how insanely fast Tesla is improving its robots, many experts believe a future Tesla bot, Gen 4, could handle more than 500 human tasks, from folding your laundry to cooking that pizza by itself. In this video, we're going to jump a few years into the future and watch that moment play out. Imagine Tesla walking on stage to reveal Optimus Gen 4, a humanoid robot with a 44-degree of freedom hand that can twist soft dough, spread sauce, pick toppings without crushing them, and pull a hot tray out of the oven. All on its own, no hidden operator, no human quietly fixing mistakes in the background, just a robot calmly doing what used to be impossible. And to understand how Tesla could realistically get there, we have to start with the most important part of any robot, the hand. To understand how big this is, we have to start with the hand. The human hand is one of the most advanced things in nature. It can hold an egg without breaking it, but also lift heavy tools. It can type on a keyboard, thread a needle, play guitar, or gently touch someone's shoulder. Most robots fail here. They can walk, they can lift, they can move boxes, but ask them to make a sandwich or grab a single grape without crushing it, and they break down. Tesla's Gen 4 hand is designed to attack this exact problem. With around 44 degrees of freedom and more than 50 tiny actuators working together, each finger can move in multiple directions, apply different levels of pressure, and respond in real time to what it touches. Sensors under the fingertips can feel softness and hardness, while artificial muscles in the forearm control the motion, just like tendons in a real human arm. But hardware alone is not enough. A powerful hand is useless if the robot's brain doesn't know what to do with it. That's where Tesla's AI system comes in. Think about three main layers working together. The first layer is vision AI. This allows the robot to look at the world through cameras, understand depth, shape, and motion, and recognize objects like plates, knives, vegetables, tools, and even the difference between a tomato and a red cup. The second layer is motor control AI. This is like the robot's nervous system. It decides how much to bend each finger, how tightly to hold something, how fast to move, and how to stay stable while doing delicate work. The third layer is simulation training. Before the robot ever touches a real kitchen, Tesla can train millions of virtual robots in digital kitchens, letting them fail, learn, and improve at incredible speed. All those lessons are then downloaded into the physical robot in the real world. Now imagine how a pizza moment like this would look in Tesla's lab. The robot walks to the counter, guided by its vision system. It picks up a ball of dough without tearing it. It slowly stretches the dough in a circle, just like a chef in a restaurant. It spreads tomato sauce without breaking the base. It grabs cheese with controlled pressure, scatters it evenly, then places toppings one by one. After that, it opens the oven, slides the pizza inside, waits for the correct time, and finally removes the hot tray using a safe grip. No joystick, no hidden operator, no human correction. Just a robot following what it has learned from billions of training steps. At first, this sounds like a fun cooking trick, but in reality, this would be proof that a humanoid robot has reached a new level of fine motor skills and real-world intelligence. If a robot can cook a pizza, it can probably do much more than cook. The same skills used for folding dough can help fold clothes. The control needed to spread sauce can be used to paint walls or clean windows. The hand stability needed to pull a hot tray from the oven can help move fragile equipment in a hospital. That's why many people say a robot becomes truly useful only when its hands become truly useful. Elon Musk has said multiple times that once Optimus can use its hands almost like a human, it can start doing 80% of all basic physical jobs. Imagine your own life for a moment, coming home from work and finding your laundry folded, dishes clean, and dinner almost ready, not because you hired a maid, but because a robot that never gets tired quietly took care of it in the background. Now picture the same thing in a factory or warehouse. A Tesla bot with a 44 DOF hand could pick parts, move boxes, pack orders, operate simple machinery, and do all the boring, repetitive tasks humans usually hate. It doesn't need coffee breaks. It doesn't get back pain. It doesn't lose focus on the night shift. Over a year, a robot plugged in and working 24 hours a day could deliver several times more work hours than a human who needs sleep, rest, and weekends. That's where Elon Musk's bold predictions about productivity come from. Whether you agree or not, there is no doubt that this technology could completely change how work is done around the world. Of course, this also raises a scary question. What about jobs? If a robot hand can handle tools, devices, food, packaging, cleaning, and even basic caregiving, what happens to the people who currently do those jobs? For some, this future is exciting. They imagine a world where robots do the hard labor and humans focus on creativity, ideas, art, and relationships. For others, it is worrying. They fear companies might replace human workers with cheap robots and leave many people behind. The truth is probably somewhere in the middle. Some jobs will disappear, new jobs will appear, and many existing jobs will change. But one thing is clear. A robot that can make a pizza today might be able to build a house, assist a surgeon, or care for an elderly person tomorrow. Tesla's roadmap for Optimus tries to reflect this long-term vision. We already see early versions of the robot walking, lifting, and doing simple tasks like sorting objects and moving around offices. Musk has talked about yearly upgrades with Gen 3, Gen 4, and Gen 5 bringing more advanced abilities, smoother motion, and deeper integration into daily life. In this imagined Gen 4 stage, the 44 DOF hand is a symbol. It represents the moment when Optimus stops being just a cool demo robot and becomes a serious, everyday assistant in homes, in shops, in hospitals, in factories. And if Tesla really manages to bring the final price down to something around the cost of a car, then having a humanoid robot at home might become as normal as owning a smartphone today. But none of this will matter if people don't trust the robot. Safety is just as important as intelligence and strength. If a robot lives in your house, walks near your children, and handles knives, hot ovens, and heavy objects, you need to be 100% sure that it will not harm you. That's why Tesla's software side is so critical. Full self-driving cars already navigate complex streets, avoid accidents, and react to unexpected situations using AI. The same kind of caution and control has to be built into Optimus. It must be programmed to slow down near humans, refuse dangerous commands, and shut down or lock its limbs in any unsafe or confused situation. A robot that can make a pizza is amazing. A robot that is safe enough to share your living room is even more important. So the big question becomes personal. If a future Tesla bot Gen 4 really comes with a 44 DOF hand, can perform more than 5,000 tasks, and is sold at a price similar to a middle-class car, what would you do? Would you wait for that version in a few years, hoping to get the most advanced model? Or would you want to grab an earlier generation as soon as it arrives, just to be one of the first people on Earth to experience living with a humanoid robot at home? Imagine waking up, walking into your kitchen, and seeing a robot quietly preparing your breakfast. Is that exciting, or is it a little scary? Maybe it's both. Tell me what you think. Would you welcome a Tesla bot into your home if it could cook, clean, assist, and work all day without rest? Or would you prefer to keep this level of technology far away from your private life? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this future vision shocked you or made you think differently about robots, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next big Tesla bot update. The future is coming fast, and you'll want to be here when it arrives.